Scaling data is an important part of building machine learning models and can help improve modeling performance, train neural networks faster, and more accurately cluster data points. In this tutorial, we will cover the simplest method for scaling your data, using the MinMax scaler node. This node takes a vector of feature columns and scales the data to have a set minimum and maximum value. As with many feature transformers, we first need to use the vector assembler to create a vector column. This column will contain all of the features that we want to be scaled. Next, in the MinMax scaler configuration pane, we need to provide the input column. This will be the vector column that we created using the vector assembler. Next, we can name the output column of the MinMax scaler node. We can also decide what to set the maximum and a minimum values at. Here we will leave it as 1 and 0, which are generally the most popular values to be selected and the defaults for this node. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that at the end of the data set, there are now two vector columns that have been created. One is the features vector that contains all of the columns we selected in the vector assembler, and the second is the MinMax scaled column. This column contains all of the same variables as the vector assembler column, but that have now been scaled. Now we are ready to model using the scaled data. Thank you for listening.